Hello everyone, we are Hexa Syndicate here to present a solution for problem statement ID 1607, a smart AI based traffic management system for heavy traffic routes featuring real time monitoring and adaptive traffic light timings. When we think of traffic, we imagine long vehicle lines, frequent stops, wasted time, increased fuel consumption, pollution, and of course, frustration. Our research shows that the main problem lies at intersection. Globally, there are over 1.3 billion cars, many stuck at traffic lights. Pollution at intersection is 29 times higher than on the open road. Multiply this across all the cities and the scale of the problem becomes massive. Our solution, an AI model that analyzes traffic patterns and optimizes the light timings to reduce emissions and improve flow. Based of all, it integrates seamlessly with existing system infrastructure, eliminating the extra cost. Let's focus on the West Lane as an example. At each lane, we already have a camera, a control cabinet, traffic lights, and a traffic light timer. Our AI model divides each lane into three sections: Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. When vehicles arrives in the lane, they are categorized into two types. First is the commercial vehicles such as the trucks and the buses, and non-commercial vehicles like cars and small SUVs. Once categorized, the AI calculates the time needed for each section to clear the intersections. Non-commercial vehicles need 5 seconds each, while the commercial vehicles need 8 seconds each. The formula looks like this: number of non-commercial vehicles into 5 seconds plus the number of commercial vehicles into 8 seconds. For section 1, let's say we have 4 non-commercial vehicles and 3 commercial vehicles. Calculation would be 4 into 5 plus 3 into 8, that is 44 seconds. For section 2, let's say there are 5 non-commercial vehicles and 2 commercial vehicles. That would be 5 into 5 plus 2 into 8, that is 41 seconds. For section 3, with the same number of vehicles as section 2, 5 into 5 plus 2 into 8, that is 41 seconds. Our AI identifies the maximum time needed for any section, which in this case is 44 seconds for section 1. So, the system allocates 44 seconds for the entire west lane to clear. Now, let's talk about the cycle. We have 4 lanes: west, north, east, and south. The AI manages this lane in a cycle. It starts from clearing the west lane and then moves to the north lane, followed by east and finally to the south. Once the cycle completes, it returns to the west lane. But here's where our AI really stands out. It constantly scans for the emergency vehicles. If an ambulance or a fire truck is detected, the system can prioritize clearing that lane. For example, let's say the AI is clearing the west lane but detects an ambulance in the south lane. Instead of going to the north lane, next the AI will switch to the south lane to clear that first. Once the south lane is clear, it will resume the normal cycle by moving to the north lane. Our AI allocates dynamic timing based on the number of vehicles in each lane. Now, every lane will need the same amount of time. For instance, the west lane might need 44 seconds due to heavy traffic, but the north lane might only need 10 seconds because it has fewer vehicles. The east lane could need 26 seconds, while the south lane might be empty, so the AI skips it together and returns to the west lane. This dynamic timing approach helps reduce traffic congestion, cut down emissions, save fuels, and minimize the time vehicle spend waiting at intersections. And that's how our AI powered solution works to improve the traffic management by adjusting the traffic lights timings in real time based on vehicle density and giving priority to emergency vehicles. We can create a more efficient and cleaner city environment. Thank you for watching.